Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today we will be presenting our proposal for our second agricultural entrepreneurship practices project. Okay, for our company's background, our company was founded on October 11th of 2024. We grow various types of vegetables and our vision is to become a leader in the production of fresh and quality vegetables at the local level through sustainable agriculture that prioritizes environmental sustainability and community well-being. And our mission is to build a network of agriculture communities that support each other and share knowledge about modern agriculture techniques and sustainability. Okay, this is our company structure, which is me, myself, as the CEO of the company. And we have Jeny Cris Joseph as marketing manager, Razlee bin Jiki as finance manager, and we have another four worker who is in charge of our farm plot. First, we have Haieqal, who is in charge in the water spinach plot, Noorhaliza for eggplant plot, Herman for maize plot, and Heldi for watermelon plot.
Next, farm layout. There are four types of crops, then will be a plan according to the determined place. There are four crop plots with a corn and eggplant. Each plant have a four boundaries, and each boundary is 34 feet long and 2 feet wide. And next is a watermelon. This plant has a area of each boundary of 10 feet long and 3 feet wide. And last is a water Spanish plot. Next, corn SOP. First is a soil pH test to ensure the soil is in good condition. And second is a self preparation and planting with a preparation to facilitate then planting a process. Thirdly, sowing lime and a cow faces to stabilize the soil pH and soil structure. And number four, installation of silver shine on a planting bed to prevent a weed growth. And number five, swing seeds in the planting tray. And next, transplanting a seedling from the nursery. And manual irrigation by watering twice a day. And other that, putting a fertilization once a week according to the rate of tree growth. And next, positioning. And then weeding shall be done every day. After that, harvesting and also grading to determine quality and price. And lastly, marketing.
So next is the SOP for kangkong plant. So the first is before we start planting, we check the soil pH to make sure the pH temperature of the soil is in good condition. So next is excavating the soil and making borders by the help of tractor. So next is we spread the lime and cow dung in upside the borders to better the temperature of the soil. For the fourth step is we install the silver shine on the border and then we check the soil pH again. After that, we sow the seeds above the border. So next is after we sow the seeds on the border, we water the border 2 times a day, and also we fertilize once a week. And next is we also will poison once a week, and then after that we will harvest the crop, and then we grading the crops, and before after that we will selling the crops to the customer. So that is the SOP for kangkong.
For watermelon SOP, first is soil pH test, where the watermelon can be grown in various soil types with moderate acidity, range between 4.5 until 7. And for the site preparation and planting beds preparation, where the best area for growing watermelon is flatland. And next is applying dolomite, installation of silver shine, on planting bed. And next is direct planting of seed into the ground where three or four seed for each holes. And then pruning management. Next is assisted pollination, where the insects such as bees and beetles typically play a role in the pollination process of watermelon plants. And manual irrigation by watering twice a day, which is morning and evening. And then NPK green fertilization is applied twice, which is at 10 day before planting with chicken manure and 10 day after planting. For the NPK blue fertilization is applied 4 times, which is 20, 30, 45 and 52 day after planting. For pest and disease management, pest and disease control such as chemical spraying will carry out if sign of infestation are detected on the watermelon plant. And maturity, and then next is maturity determination and harvesting by picking the fruit. Next is grading according to the size, and finally is marketing using online platforms such as WhatsApp and Instagram.
Okay, next is the eggplant SOP, where this eggplant SOP is almost the same as the SOP of other plants that my friends have already presented. So we skip to some important part. First, we need to apply urea fertilizer 1 week after transplanting the seedling. After that, we apply the NPK green once a week. And then we need to apply NPK blue when the plants start to bear fruit. Pruning also important because it can increase growth and fruit production. Pruning also can help reduce risk of disease.
Next, I will be sharing AgroGenix Ventures marketing strategy. We will go through our 5P: products, price, people, place, and the last one, promotional. AgroGenix Ventures focuses on selling fresh and high quality crops including sweet corn, maize, eggplant, Solanum melogena, water spinach, Ipomia aquatica, and the last one is watermelon, Citrus lanatus. We primarily sell in two main locations. The first one is the Faculty of Sustainable Agriculture at UMS Sandakan, and the second one is the surrounding area of Batu Sepuluh Sandakan Sabah. Uh, to reach our customers, we use digital platforms for promotion. We actively announce our product availability and updates through Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp. Our main customers targets are four key groups. There is UMS Sandakan lecturers, UMS Sandakan cafe operators, students, and the surrounding area on UMS. And next, this is our platform for media social, Instagram and TikTok. You can scan my QR code, and for WhatsApp, you can contact me, Jeny Joseph, as a marketing strategy, and my friends, Razlee bin Jiki, as a finance manager.
For our SWOT analysis, uh, our strength is that we have a workforce with basic skills. We also have vehicle for delivery purposes, and we have continuous demand from customers. As for our weakness, the product that we produce does not last long, and we have to face the farm equipment constraints, systemic water retention, and limited startup capital. As for our opportunities, we can get customers continuously, and we also have nearby marketing locations. For the trades, we have unpredictable weather conditions, risk of pest and disease attacks, competition between other companies selling the same product, and unstable market prices.
Next, I will present our estimated income. For our cash inflow, the first is loan. For farm equipment, they all provided by the farm, so there is no cost for this year. And for the existing asset, like small hoe, pruning shear, bucket, and PPE, we already have it from our last semester, so there is no cost for this also. And for the production, we are expecting the total production of corn is 80 cob, for eggplant 15 kilogram, water spinach 20 kilogram, watermelon 50 kilogram. And next is sell. For the corn, we sell it 3 ringgit per cob. Make the total sale for corn is 240 ringgit. For the eggplant, we sell it 10 ringgit per kilogram. And the total sale for this is 150 ringgit. For the water spinach, we sell it 6 ringgit per kilogram. And the total sale is 120 ringgit. And the last is watermelon. We sell it 3 ringgit per kilogram. And the total sale for watermelon is 150 ringgit. For the event, especially Tamu Kusumba FPL, we are expecting the total income for this is 150 ringgit. So the total income for these 3 months is 810 ringgit. For the cash outflow, the first is input cost. For farm equipment and seedling media like silver shine and seedling tray, there is no cost for this. For organic soil, it costing 3 ringgit 70 cent. And then for seed, the total cost for corn seed is 6 ringgit, eggplant 6 ringgit, and water spinach 15 ringgit, and then the watermelon is 6 ringgit. For fertilizer, we use three different fertilizer. The first is NPK Blue, which is costing 8 ringgit per kilogram. The total cost for this is 32 ringgit. And then for the NPK Green, costing 8 ringgit per kilogram. And the total cost also 32 ringgit. And then the last is urea, which is costing 8 ringgit per kilogram. And the total cost for this is 16 ringgit. And for the pesticide, there is no cost for this. And then for the operating cost, for the labor, costing 3 ringgit per hour. And the total cost for this, 504 ringgit. And land rental, 5 ringgit per month. And for 3 months, the total cost is 15 ringgit. And then for the marketing cost, for the promotion, there is no cost. And packaging, plastic packaging costing 2 ringgit 50 cent for 50 pieces. And then the total is 5 ringgit. And then the last is the total expenditure for all the cash outflow is 640 ringgit 70 cent. So we get the positive net cash flow for this, which is 169 ringgit 30 cent.
So lastly, for the conclusion, we, AgroGenix Ventures, we believe that we has potential with diverse crop and high market demand, but we need to overcome many challenges such as capital, technical knowledge, and climate change. So by leveraging modern technology and collaboration opportunities, our group can grow despite threats such as competition and violate market prices. Strategic and innovative planning is the key to our group success. That's all from us. Thank you.
So that's all from us. Thank you for paying attention and have a great day.